wind is killing me. Let me zoom up those trees, see the wind. Those trees are a good marker how strong this wind is. How strong that wind is. I guess it's responsible for that too. Yeah, right out of the ground. Them things are not easy to take out of the ground yet. You know, one time me and my cousins on an old country road, they had a beat up old sign. It's down in Kentucky. We tried to knock that over, and you really can't. It's very, you can't. A car could, you know. I think the wind did that. I'm out here past the, of course, I can tell the location, but it sticks out like a sore thumb. I'm past the trailer park. Well, you see it. Of course, I'll probably have it fixed time I upload this tomorrow. Yep, looks like wind damage to me. I don't see it bent nowhere. Thanks, Mother Nature, for nothing.